Hello, in this video we'll unbox the ACER Wave 7 router together. First, let's open the foil. Now we can go ahead and open the box. Let's see how it's opened here. Okay. Let me just get that. Okay. And now I can open it. And what do we get inside? Here's the short manual for how to configure your router. Then underneath we get more info about it, as you can see here. The power cable to plug it in, and as you can see it has this weird end because we get here the power adapters. I got two versions, one the European standard plug, and the other one is the British one. So you can just put it like that and twist to lock it. And then here we get the router itself. And here it is. Let's open the foil right here. Here's the router. Then underneath you get another one because it's a mesh router, so it has two separate devices which you can connect together so they work together well. Okay, let's open that as well. Another one looks, I think, the same. Yes, as you can see, it has the same ports at the bottom. Okay, that's great. And then you can also see the Ethernet cable. We can also unpack. Okay, let's do it. And underneath there's also another power adapter for the second device with also these two different plugs. And these are all of the things that you get inside of this router box. Let me show you these devices one more time. And you can link them together to work, so they both work in a mesh. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.